Hi lovely people, I'm Modlin, a student of University of Ghana. I'm here at Amanda's Cook and Eat, and I'm going to prepare rice with hot pepper and omelette. I'm not that day, serve on the kitchen at BBL or have you the icing. On my left, I have salam basmati rice. I have my pepper, I have my tomatoes, I have my onion, I have my beef, I have my sausage, I have my egg. This is my carrots, onion, green pepper, and avocado. Okay, so before that, I want to start with my rice first. I use my oil, small. So after that, you add your onions. Please, I don't want my onions to burn, so I'm keeping it in low medium heat. Now I'm adding my beef. I want to steam it small. I have small amount of beef. You know why? Because I'm using sausage and egg for the omelette. So I want to use this small amount of beef. But you can use any amount you want. Now it's time for me to use my basmati rice. I thought I'm going to use basmati rice. Butter. Use small amount of butter, depending on the amount of rice you're cooking. Stir. Okay, so now I'm going to cover it for about 20 minutes. As you are waiting for the rice to cook, I'm coming to start with my omelette. Let's go. Before I start with my omelette, I'll use 5 sausage. You will cut it into any size that you want. I'm coming to use 5 eggs. I'm done smashing the egg. I'm coming to mix the sausage with the egg. We smash it together. I'm mixing the vegetables with the egg and then the sausage. So I'll add my onga seasoning and salt. Mix it together. Okay, so now I'm coming to start with my omelette. This omelette needs more oil. You wait for about 2 minutes for it to be hot. And you start the oil. Amanda, it's beneath the young grow. Shit, regular. Amanda, I am the papa will show you the educating of your brain. But you won't follow no YouTube. And yet, my kids one I hear. I had the man because I'm Mrs. Tayo Mamma Sunyo. But let me show you it. 2-2. Amanda's Cook and Eat. You do. I do. Maybe done in chief farm. But done. Amanda will show you the Moko Squam and Uncle about. We'll show you the educating of Pancasa. As they be a miss YouTube, they be a millennium. They buy a whole job for they be a sell day in your mouth. And they be a mission in your mouth for a TikTok body. Yes, sir. Okay, see, butter banana done. And you get the mistake of what tomato food. It's butter kaka now. Or it's all need to know how done. Nakaya badan and bats. Omelette na is so she sounds so soon. It's made to turn the pizza size. It's madam Danina 111. Amanda's Cook and Eat. May you find out when you make fun. The beer one show Amanda show. And I put out the same for you to all the TikTok. Won't be beer, your Amanda's Cook and Eat. I'd be a better so that's fine. Bibia waha Hey, BPA, I would have one every day. BPA wahade. Italian rice waha, American rice waha, Dubai rice, Arab money. It's Arab money today, yes. Go for Dubai rice in Abaho, any packet of what? Amanda's cooking. No, you bit to Papa Mamma, but made it. Made then I made it with this nice food. Amanda's cooking it. Same. Big Mama Amanda, share. She's on the area, young one so good. You bet you hot pepper, hot pepper. Okay, sister, your rice now you ready. Your home Latin soil you ready. Okay, your hot pepper. ADM blend. You butcher with your hair casa. Mokolona, I know not tomatoes name. I don't know that. See, you're the butcher that the coin of walk. You'll butcher her no biashi. On your blender. Yeah, you get a natural blender. Okay, the onion look. Let the hot pepper need to try for the pepper. Hey, self mod. Okay, so the tomatoes need to be good. You tune up in our corner. Yeah, pepper. Okay, sisi ano yebi ti the onion na ye chicha na kwa. Okay, sisi ano yebi bibi yebi rice yebi omelette yebi hot pepper yebi chicha avocado. Ah. That's right. Hey, the Arab avocado. Yo, baby, I did Amanda's kitchen. What's about go vet? Tell woman. Oh, good. Amanda, that mean I told Arab now. Hey, I'm correct avocado. Hey, ni na yo baby na corner yeka. Amanda's kitchen. Oh, baby, oh. Na nyama no son. Come, it needs. Chade, Bibi are classy. I'm going to tell you, Amanda. It's all your kitchen. Why shall be there? Bibi are classy. Waha. And I'm going to avocado, Arab avocado. Okay, this is an area. The best seller. Hey, stars I call Kim Piska was everyone on. That yana. Keep peace vibes. Very nice. Amanda's kitchen, no size. I can't tell you. Can't tell you. Okay. Tea by a homeless man. One hot pepper also. Did you make a crop? Nice. See at the end, avocado. Okay guys, so we are done with our recipe. This rice with hot pepper and omelets. Okay, so thank you Amanda for this opportunity. Please, you guys should go and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have all kinds of food. Turn on post notifications so anytime we post anything new, you get notification. Thank you. Alright, so thank you Amanda. I love you so much. I get big love for you. You are good. You are too.